Welcome to Geography. So today's topic is polar vortex. This topic is very important for the explaining the extreme weather events in the mid latitudes and high latitude areas, also explaining the heat waves, cold waves, floods and drought events. Let's begin this topic, polar vortex. So what is polar vortex? Polar vortex is a low pressure center that developed over the Arctic and Antarctic region. So it is a low pressure centers which at the height of around 8 kilometers, and this low pressure centers has a significance of Arctic as well as for Antarctic region. So now why does it get developed? Because Arctic region has a colder air and Antarctic region also having the colder air, and this meets with the warmer airs of tropical world. So this is the warmer air and this is the colder air. So both are moving towards each other, and there is chances of meeting is around 60° north and 60° is south, and this location become the polar what jet stream. This is also a location of what called polar jet stream. These polar jet streams is confining the Arctic cold air and the tropical air warmer air mass. So in case of a strong polar vortex, so this polar jet stream is less wavy in nature. Now what is happening today, it become a problem that polar vortex is getting weaker and weaker. So weakening is there. So weakening is, why is weakening is happening and what is the characteristic of weakening polar vortex? Here your jet streams at the polar is becoming more zigzag, becoming what called more zigzag. This indicating your polar vortex is not so much strong, not able to confine Arctic airs, cold air mass, are not able to hold this cold air mass. So it's in winters start trickling downwards more. In summers, the warm air is more moving upward more. So this situation is creating jet streams highly what called wavy. So more wavy polar jet stream is being produced. Okay, and because of the more wavy jet stream, it has a side effects on the climate of this region. And this region is nothing but called mainly the mid latitude weather condition get affected, and it is also explaining the extreme weather events affected by it. What are the extreme weather events like cold waves or heat waves or the droughts or occurrence of what intense floods, all you can explain, or the forest fires in the Arctic, Antarctic regions of Siberian forest, Californian forest fires, or the heat domes development in the summers in the Canada part or other locations. So these are the extreme weather. Question is how? In case of the weaker polar vortex, when the cold air mass is here, it is creating a low pressure centers or cyclonic condition. Here it's creating what called high pressure system. So as a result of high pressures here, anticyclonic conditions are maintained. Because of a low pressure here, cyclonic conditions are maintained. And this frequent occurrence of cyclone and anticyclones having a weather disturbance. Thank you all of you.